Every year, on the 14th of February, the world turns red. Roses, chocolates, candlelit dinners, expensive gifts. But behind the romance, there's a secret most people never hear. What if I told you Valentine's Day wasn't created to celebrate love, but to control it, and the man behind it didn't die for romance. He died for rebellion. This is the untold truth about Valentine's Day. Long before greeting cards and heart emojis, ancient Rome was at war, and Emperor Claudius II believed something dangerous, that love made men weak. So he made a law. Young soldiers were forbidden from marrying, no weddings, no families, no future. Love became illegal. Couples were torn apart, forced to choose between duty and the people they loved. Fear replaced romance, silence replaced vows, but in the shadows of that empire, one man refused to obey. His name was Valentine. Valentine was a priest and a quiet revolutionary. While the empire hunted love, he protected it. In secret, he performed marriages at night, whispered vows, hidden rooms, quick prayers before footsteps approached. Every wedding was an act of defiance. Every promise was punishable by death. Eventually, Valentine was caught. He was imprisoned and sentenced to execution. But the story doesn't end there. While in prison, Valentine met the jailer's blind daughter through compassion, faith, and connection. Legend says she regained her sight. And on the eve of his execution, Valentine wrote her a letter. He signed it with 3 words that would echo through history: "From your Valentine." He was executed the next day. Love lost its protector. For centuries, Valentine's story was remembered quietly, as sacrifice, not celebration. Then something changed. Businesses discovered something powerful. Love could be packaged, marketed, and sold. Cards were mass-produced. Flowers became expectations. Diamonds became proof of affection. What began as rebellion turned into obligation. And slowly, Valentine's Day stopped being about love and started being about pressure. Here's the untold truth. Valentine didn't die so love could be expensive. He didn't risk everything for social media posts. He stood for choice, for courage, for loving freely, even when the world said no. So maybe Valentine's Day was never meant to be perfect. Maybe it was meant to remind us that love is brave, messy, and human. And maybe the most powerful way to honor Valentine isn't with roses. It's with honesty, kindness, and love given freely every day, because the real Valentine's Day was never for sale.